Card sorting analysis should not be guesswork. Choose the right tools, and then your analysis will give you practical, effective insights. Dendrograms are one such tool, and when it comes to visualizing card sorting results, they are definitely among the best. Hi, my name is Alex and welcome to UX Tweaks channel. Today we're talking about card sorting and analysis and dendrograms. By the end of the video, you'll learn how to create and analyze dendrograms and some effective tips on how to use dendrograms effectively. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a dendrogram? Dendrograms are tree-like diagrams used to analyze open card sorts. During open card sorting, we provide participants with cards they have to group without having any predetermined categories. Now, this way, we examine how our users would grow specific items on our website or application. Dendrograms help us visualize these groupings. They depict how participants cluster items depending on how often participants place them together. This shows us how strongly the items are related. In open card sorting, dendrograms are used to see a clear visual representation of how users think about information. Let's talk about why dendrograms are so valuable in card sorting analysis. Dendrograms' main advantage is clear visualization of results. They make it easy to spot natural groupings and identify strong relationships between items. Unlike other card sorting analysis tools, dendrograms don't require extensive analysis of data tables. Another dendrogram benefit is clear visualization of clusters. Now, this helps researchers easily see the most common patterns in users' thinking and decide how many levels the information architecture should have. Finally, the dendrogram's simple tree-like structure is perfect for presenting findings. Other card sorting analysis methods, such as similarity matrix, are not as visually intuitive for stakeholders on non-technical teams. Let's talk about analyzing the dendrograms. Imagine we're designing an e-commerce website for digital gadgets. We run an open card sorting study where participants group products into categories. The products are mobile phones, phone cases, protective glass, tablets, laptops, computer monitors, computer mice, and keyboards. Now, after participants finish the study, we can analyze the dendrogram. The top cluster we see consists of mobile phones, phone cases, and protective glass. You can see that the branches on the left are short. Shorter branches mean more participants agree that items should be clustered. In our example, over 90% of participants agree that these items should be together. Based on this information, we can assume that we should group these items into one category on our website. We can also see that participants put computer monitors, laptops, computer mice, tablets, and keyboards together. However, the branches connecting these items are longer and more to the right, which means less agreement among participants. We see that only 60% of participants agree on this cluster, but 70% agree on putting keyboards, computer mice, and computer monitors together. We can assume that it would be more intuitive to put these three items together and create a separate category for laptops and tablets. To test if our assumptions are correct, we will run a closed card sorting study with the three categories. If users sort the cards as we assume they would, we can use the categories for our website's information architecture. You can always draw a dendrogram manually. However, the process is tedious, time-consuming, and prone to errors. My advice is to use specialized card sorting tools that create dendrograms automatically. Take UX Tweak, for example. After running a card sorting study with our tool, the system processes participant data and generates a dendrogram you can interact with. This makes the entire process more efficient and scalable, especially for large data sets. If you want to create intuitive, easy to navigate information architectures, analyzing dendrograms is a skill worth practicing. By the way, if you need help setting up a card sorting study in UX Tweak, we have a step-by-step video tutorial to help you. Like and subscribe to watch more videos on all things UX related. See you next time.